Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to quickly and easily add an email address to Instagram. So first we open our Instagram app, navigate to the profile menu located in the top corner, and then click on the 3 horizontal lines. The lines in the top right corner, after which we switch to settings. Here we see our comprehensive account policy. To begin, we navigate to the account center, where we will subsequently enter our personal details in the designated fields. Then we go to our contact information. Here we only see the phone number. To add an email, write add new contact, click here. Then we can add here new phone number, also change it and add email. Click add email, after which we are redirected. In this menu, we can choose which account we want to add this email to. Here we enter, please confirm the code from the email that will be sent to you shortly, after which you should agree to the terms and then click to proceed. Click continue and agree, and you will have a new email in this window. Since I don't need it, I won't do it. You can do it and you'll succeed. Thank you very much, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments if my method helped you. See you soon.